something to lighten the mood a little bit, guys. My friend in York has a restaurant. I've tagged myself in there a few times. Italian restaurant, outstanding food. If you ever come to York, give me a shout and I'll get you booked in. Anyway, he just said, well, what do you normally typically earn? So I sort of told him, listen, I try and aim to 1 to 5%. Obviously, if I find myself in a winner, great. Typically, if I'm in a loser, I'll cut it. Very briefly, just on the phone. So he said, well, what do you think you'll earn today? I said, I reckon I'll earn £1,000, £2,000. So he just said, listen, I bet you £100 that you cannot come to my restaurant and earn £1,000 to £2,000. So I said, I'll tell you what, I'll come down and I'll place the bet. So I'm going to continue this video. I'm going to take a picture of my account so far. I've done a little bit of pre-market this morning, show you where I'm at with my account, profit and loss of today at 1:30, and then I'm going to take another picture come sort of tea time, and we'll see what we've got, whether we've earned or whether we've lost. Gonna do some little videos going into York. So this is a church on Enderby Street in the old tranny van. Look at this. This is what you need for work. So just coming up to me pal's restaurant, centre of York, next to the old pavement vaults. It's just on the corner there. There's me MacBook, iPad and earphones. I'm going to put myself in a little corner at his restaurant and do some pre-market analysis, which I believe I've at least got the trend somewhat like. And then, I'll continue it, guys. Hi, guys. So I did the challenge. I mean, it was kind of, we were having a few non-alcoholic wines. I'm in my car going home before you all start. A bit of food, a few coffees. And there's a chap here. I was speaking to him in the way into the restaurant. Had a bit of food. Did the challenge just to show you kind of how simplistic it can be on a larger account. Equally, if you've got a smaller account, it's 800 quid. Taking that money and running, which I'm fairly good at. All the shoulda, coulda, woulda, and you should have held on to that. It'd be 10 grand. I ain't interested. Give me £1,000 a day. 20% on 100 grand. I'm happy with that. Over a year is nearly £250,000 So just let that sink in for the haters out there. But anyway, I'll just show you this guy. He's been there for, I don't know, couple of 3 hours, and he's going to continue to be there. Really nice fella. Having a good chat with him. I brought him some coffees out. He might have done a couple of £100 a day. That's great. However, the same guy has probably got 150 grand in a mortgage, 200 grand, 100 grand, and I know he's got a brand new custom limited, same as me. And he said, we were chatting about it. He said, oh, it's a nice van, that nice van. I thought, yeah. I've actually reg checked his mileage because I sell vehicles for a living, and there's no finance on it, which would indicate to me that he's bought it. It's a couple of years old. Last MOT was about 40,000 miles. So it'd be a good lump of money for a van. He could put that in a trading account, right, with the right guidance, and earn, after a period of time, probably 100 quid. But he's happy doing what he's doing, and that's great. Listen, we need people like that, but I've never been that guy. And not that I've never grafted, I have grafted. But I've always thought outside the box. Obviously, the underworld I'm not happy about, but life moves on, and what I've tried to do is keep up with the Joneses, or the modern trends and stuff like that, and give me what's needed to have that passive income lifestyle. And I'm glad to say, guys, I've got it now. Okay, we did a little challenge there. I don't disrespect money before all the haters come in. Oh yeah, £1,000 a day, we're all going to work for a week at that. Absolutely no problem, but I'm risking that as well. And I could have took the loss and I would have posted that. I've got another trade that I did. I just walked out with £1,000, so I did 2k. It's not to be sniffed at, guys. So yeah, we're using our money now to make money. That's the idea of this video.